Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Power down the controller and remove any batteries or USB cable before starting. Place the controller face down on a clean, flat surface to avoid scratches. Use a T8 Torx security screwdriver to remove the 4 screw covers and screws at the back. Keep a small container nearby to hold the 4 screws so they do not roll away. Have a plastic pry tool ready to gently separate the back panel from the front shell without damaging. Gently pry along the seam using a plastic pry tool to disengage clips. Start at the bottom near the textured grip and work your way around both sides. Apply even gentle pressure and listen for soft clicks as clips release one by one. Once clips are free, lift the back shell away, starting from the bottom edge near the grips. Be careful not to pull the charging port assembly or the ribbon cable inside the top edge of the controller. Disconnect the battery or ribbon cable before touching internal components to avoid damage. Note capacitor and spring placement so you can reinstall them exactly where they belong later. When reassembling, align the back shell and front shell so internal components sit flat and correctly. Press the 2 halves together until you hear each clip click back into place along the seam. Tighten the 4 T8 screws evenly, and then press the 4 screw covers back into their holes before inserting batteries or connecting USB.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.